Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Wattpad account. So the first thing, you need to go to App Store and download the Wattpad app. After that, you go back and you open your application here. Then they will ask you a way to sign in. I'm going to choose the Google sign in. Click continue. Then you can choose the account that you want to sign in and create account with. I'm going to choose this one. Then just click continue and then press continue again. After that, you just need to fill out this information. Then you click sign up. After that, just choose your favorite genre to read. Then continue. And after that, you will have your account here created. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.